Right now, tractors are driving themselves across massive fields with absolutely nobody sitting behind the wheel. Welcome to the quiet revolution reshaping how the world grows food. For thousands of years, farming meant human hands, human eyes, and endless physical labor. Today, artificial intelligence is rapidly taking over many of the toughest tasks. Take John Deere's Autonomous 8R tractor. As of early 2026, it's already working commercially across the American Midwest, tilling massive fields completely without a driver. It sees using 16 cameras, providing full 360-degree vision, while GPS guides it with jaw-dropping accuracy, staying precise to less than 1 single inch. This didn't happen overnight. Deere spent hundreds of millions acquiring robotics companies like Bear Flag Robotics, merging traditional heavy machinery with cutting-edge artificial intelligence software. But autonomous tractors are just the beginning. Across farms worldwide, AI-powered cameras now scan crops constantly, hunting for weeds, disease, and pests in real time. One standout example is the Carbon Robotics LaserWeeder, which uses AI vision to identify individual weeds, then eliminates them instantly using precision laser pulses. No chemicals required. This approach alone has helped some farms slash herbicide use by nearly 60%, protecting both soil health and precious water supplies. Drones are joining the fight too, flying above fields to capture detailed images, helping farmers spot problems across thousands of acres in mere minutes. Combined with satellite data and ground sensors, AI systems now predict optimal planting times, tailor exact fertilizer amounts, and forecast yields before harvest even begins. This precision matters enormously. Studies show these combined technologies can meaningfully boost crop yields while simultaneously reducing wasted water, fertilizer, and expensive farming inputs. And it's not only massive American farms benefiting. In India, startups are building affordable autonomous tractors, letting smaller farmers rent robotic power exactly when needed. This tractor-as-a-service model could bring cutting-edge automation to millions of farmers who could never otherwise afford these expensive, sophisticated machines themselves. So why does any of this actually matter for people who've never even visited a farm? Because global food demand keeps rising every single year. With labor shortages hitting agriculture hard worldwide, these machines aren't replacing farmers for fun. They're helping feed a growing planet with fewer available workers. Investment reflects this urgency. Agri-tech funding has exploded recently, with hundreds of millions pouring into startups building smarter, more capable farming robots every year. Now, an honest reality check. Not every farming task has been conquered yet. Delicate crops like strawberries and tomatoes remain incredibly difficult for robots. Gently picking ripe fruit without bruising it is considered the true holy grail of agricultural robotics, a problem engineers still haven't fully solved. Full autonomy for major crops like corn and soybeans isn't expected industry-wide until around 2030, according to major manufacturers currently leading this technology. Still, the transformation already underway is undeniable. Farming is quietly evolving from manual labor into a data-driven, robot-assisted industry right before our eyes. The fields of tomorrow may be tended largely by machines, guided by artificial intelligence, working tirelessly to help feed our entire growing world. So tell me below, does a driverless tractor excite you, or does it feel a little unsettling? Subscribe and hit the bell for more science.